In today's digital era, the demand for skilled web developers continues to grow. Among the various roles in web development, full-stack web developers have become increasingly valuable. These professionals possess knowledge and skills in both front-end and back-end technologies, enabling them to handle all aspects of web development. If you aspire to become a successful full-stack web developer, continuous practice and a strong desire to learn are crucial. Front-end and back-end development. Full-stack web development involves both front-end and back-end development. Front-end developers focus on the design and look of a website. They work with languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create the user-facing part of a web page. Back-end developers, on the other hand, handle the server side of web development. They work with server-side languages like PHP and Java to establish database connections and handle data processing. To excel as a full-stack developer, it is necessary to become proficient in both front-end and back-end technologies. Essential skills and tools. To start a career as a full-stack developer, it is important to have a solid understanding of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for front-end development. These languages are the building blocks of web development and lay the foundation for creating visually appealing and interactive web pages. Another important aspect of full-stack development is proficiency in server-side languages. PHP and Java are commonly used server-side languages, while databases like MySQL and MongoDB handle data storage and retrieval. Having knowledge of these languages and databases is essential for handling the back end of web development. Familiarity with frameworks and libraries like AngularJS and jQuery is also important for full-stack developers. These tools provide pre-built functionality and simplify the development process. For example, AngularJS is a popular front-end framework that allows developers to build dynamic and responsive web applications. Choosing the right tools. A full-stack developer is responsible for designing both the user-facing part and the back end of a web page. Therefore, choosing the right tools is crucial. Code editors like Visual Studio Code or Sublime Text provide a seamless development experience with features like syntax highlighting and code suggestions. Version control systems like Git and Subversion are essential for tracking code changes and facilitating easy reversion to previous versions. These tools ensure collaboration and help maintain the integrity of the codebase. JavaScript frameworks and libraries. JavaScript is a versatile language that plays a significant role in web development. Utilizing JavaScript frameworks and libraries can further enhance a full-stack developer's skill set. Frameworks like Node.js, Angular, React, Backbone, and Meteor provide additional functionality and make the development process more efficient. These frameworks are easy to understand and complement the JavaScript skills acquired while working on the front end. Other essential skills. Understanding HTTP protocols is important as it enables communication between the front end and back end of a web page. Knowledge of operating systems like Linux and Windows is also necessary since web applications run on top of these systems. Familiarity with project management tools like Jira, Teamwork, and Basecamp helps ensure effective execution of the web development process. Continuous learning and Let Me Study training. Becoming a full-stack web developer requires dedication and a passion for continuous learning. It is an evolving field, and staying updated with the latest tools and technologies is crucial. For those interested in gaining expertise in this field, Let Me Study offers a comprehensive full-stack web development course. This course covers all the necessary tools and technologies, providing aspiring developers with the knowledge they need to succeed. For more information on this course or any other training technologies, individuals can leave a comment. Conclusion. Becoming a successful full-stack web developer is an achievable goal with the right combination of knowledge, skills, and dedication. Full-stack developers are highly valued in the industry due to their ability to work on all aspects of web development. By continuously practicing and learning new technologies, aspiring developers can embark on a fulfilling career in full-stack web development. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel.